Romanian deadlifts are a great exercise for the glutes and the hamstrings. However, a lot of people end up doing them wrong and it ends up looking more like this. Okay, the problem with this is that you end up feeling it all in your lower back when you're doing something like this. So instead, you want to focus on pushing your hips back while you're letting the bar down, like this. Keep pushing them back, and then come up, okay? This way you get a huge stretch on your glutes and hamstrings, and that will switch more of the emphasis from the lower back to those glutes and hamstrings. So as the bar comes down, we let our hips go back, and we keep pushing back until we can't anymore. We feel a big stretch, and that's our stopping point. Now we can come back up and push our glutes in. And there you go.